And sometimes I listen. And yesterday I learned.
And she made her skin look darker.
Prince George's County Bureau Chief Tracy Wilkins spoke with a professor today who says the comments fit a pattern.
I don't know how that got racist on Halloween. It's not like
Megyn Kelly's questioning why blackface as part of a Halloween costume is racist has sparked a national debate beginning with her NBC colleagues.
While she apologized to the staff, she owes a bigger apology to folks of color around the country.
I think that Megyn Kelly, who's a lawyer, who spent a number of years at Fox, was being entirely consistent with her entire career.
Dr. Greg Carr, author and Africana Studies professor at Howard University, aligns Kelly's most recent comments with past controversial comments she's made about race.
Jesus was a white man, too.
Well, if we go back to her career before NBC, when we see her, whether it's being insensitive to the parents of Trayvon Martin or saying that Sandra Bland was mentally ill, she built her career, in fact, on pushing that envelope.
It's an envelope some feel she's pushed too far this time.
In addition to her being a colleague, she's a friend. She said something stupid. She said something indefensible.
Prince George's County resident Rudolph Brooks feels Kelly's apology missed the mark.
But I think there's a higher level of accountability when you're sort of a national anchor. You should have more sensitivity and more awareness about what's going on.
Others are tired of conversations focused on our differences.
I think we should be able to get back to having a conversation about all of us being equal and not turning everything into a racial episode or event.
As it stands, this event is continuing to unfold.
I'm Megyn Kelly, and I want to begin with two words. I'm sorry.
Tracy Wilkins, News 4.
Well, Doug Kammerer joins us once again with the forecast, and we cooled off today as promised.
And, we got rain coming. That's also promised. So mark that down. But if it doesn't come, if it doesn't come, don't.
Thanks so much.
Don't rely on me.
Cold and rain.
All right, let's talk about what's going on out there right now. We've got a pretty nice afternoon. Yeah, temperatures about 10 degrees below where they were yesterday. Actually, 15 below right now in the city. We were at 72 yesterday afternoon. Right now, sitting at 56 degrees, 54 degrees by 7 o'clock, dropping to about 44 degrees by 11. So it's going to be a cool night tonight. Not just cool. We've got frost in parts of the area, a much colder night tonight. Frost advisory now in effect for everybody here in parts of southern Maryland. It does not include areas west of the Blue Ridge, so it does not include, or west of I-95, so it does not include northern Virginia at all. But that doesn't mean you're not going to see frost. You've already seen the end of your growing season, so you will no longer see advisories. You will, however, wake up with some frost out there on your car, so get those ice scrapers ready. Tracking a storm system, it's way back towards Dallas. Again, they've been inundated with rain over the past week or two. For us, though, we're tracking that system. That system's going to make its way into the Gulf, eventually up the coast, and give us a lot of rain in here, especially Friday and into the day on Saturday. Saturday morning, that is. Most of the weekend actually looking okay, but the rain heaviest on Friday night, 1 to 2 inches possible, and moves out Saturday morning, and that has a lot to do with the events that are going on Saturday and Sunday. Amelia, taking a closer look at your weekend to let you know how to plan it all out.
Yeah, Doug, we have so many events going on this weekend, and if you have plans on Sunday, we're really not worried about rain at all. But on Saturday, some rain out there, mainly during the morning hours. By Sunday, we're talking about some peaks of sunshine. 56 on Saturday, 60 degrees on Sunday, and then maybe another round of showers overnight Sunday into very early Monday. Because of that rain early Saturday, maybe having a little bit of an impact on those early Saturday morning plans, but Saturday afternoon, I think most of us are looking mainly dry. So some good news, because the forecast for the weekend has continued to improve as this work week wears on. We have the Walk to End HIV. Chuck is going to be there emceeing the event at 9:20 Saturday morning. At that point, the heavy rain's over. It's cool, though. You want the warmer jacket. Maybe grab the light rain jacket just in case. We have the Howard Homecoming Parade then from 10 a.m. to noon on Saturday. While I can't rule out a shower, I think it's more going to be about the layers, low to mid 50s for highs. It's a little bit on the chilly side. And if you're heading to the pumpkin patch this weekend and you can pick a day, I would definitely pick Sunday. But from the rain, it's going to be pretty muddy out there. And on Sunday, we have the Marine Corps Marathon. A lot of us from News 4 are going to be at Mile 4, the Peacock Mile there, helping to cheer all of the runners on. And if you're running, I think layers are going to be key. If you were out there this morning, it's going to be very similar. If you're running tomorrow morning, no, it's going to feel a few degrees and actually be a few degrees warmer. But take a look. The race gets underway around 8 a.m., 48 degrees at that point. Really nice running weather, though, by about 10 a.m., 50 degrees.